right, here's a good question. Daniel is asking, what 602 carb spacer for the Thunder series?
I prefer that HVH spacer that's got the center divider in it. You've got it on your site.
Yeah.
You can probably drop a link in there and show them which one I'm referring to.
Yeah, it's one we call for the dual intake manifold.
Yeah.
Dual plane intake manifold. But I'll grab that.
It's the best one I've found, unless you're running a really small Venturi size carburetor and base plate.
Yep. It's our first one in the high velocity pace category.
If you're using like a 650 center section carburetor, this one has been about the best I've found. If you're using a 600 with a 600 base plate, then there's a couple 4 holes that would be worth looking at. But I mean, most people are not running that stuff.
Yeah, and you're familiar with the Thunder series
rules,
because I mean, it's just so close to where we are here in the Carolinas, for sure.